Hi subs, today, welcome to my Stay Weird channel. Make sure you subscribe and give it a big thumbs up. Normally I'd be doing some old clips, but today I'm doing this. What has more cuts? Heavy wind, I don't know how to do this. Like this video if you think I don't know how to do this. Or subscribe if you think it's heavy wind. I'm gonna remove them. I'm guessing heavy wind. If I guess wrong, I'll have to put a balloon in my face. Tomato! So, wish me luck, tomato, guys. And if you guys get it right, you have to subscribe. I'm gonna go count the cuts and I'll be back. Alright, I just got done counting, and the cut video is heavy wind. It has about 29 cuts. 29. And I don't know how to do this, has 14 cuts. Not really cuts, like videos. I got it right, so I don't have to do the punishment, guys. And if you said heavy wind, good job. And if you picked I don't know how to do that, turn off this video now. But if you subscribe to my Stay Weird channel, I'll let you stay on the video. You hit it. But if you didn't hit it, go turn it off now. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, and also leave a comment down below saying what video has more cuts. Locked out of the house 1 or 2. That's how many cuts for today. And subscribe. And if you don't subscribe, that means this video end. Make sure you subscribe to Stay Weird, because I'm gonna be posting some way more.